So today I will cover a basic breathing exercise. So it consists of five type of exercises that will help you expand all part of your lungs. So as you all know, like we have three lobes in the lungs: upper, middle, and bottom lobes. So usually we won't usually when we do normal breathing, the oxygen will not go to all part of the lungs. So what we are going to do, so we will try to make one part of the lungs to work at a time, so that we can make the whole lungs to work. So to start with, the first one, keep your hands like this, and as you inhale, you have to just imagine that the top part of the lungs expands. So as you inhale, the top, you will be breathing from the top, like the chest part, and as you exhale, it will go back to the same position. So you can just imagine, and you can make it, you can feel it also when you do that. It's pretty easy. So number one, so we'll do it 3 times, and eventually you can increase the count and make it 5 times if you want. So we'll start with 3 times. As you inhale, the top part of the lungs should expand. Pretty simple. Now the second one, we are going to make the lower part to work. That is also called as belly breathing. So keep the hands on your back like this, Now as you inhale, you will be breathing through the belly. Like when you inhale, the belly should come out. Okay, that is called deep breathing. You can do it slowly. You can feel the oxygen going all the way deep in the lungs. So keep the duration same for both inhalation as well as exhalation. So now we're done with the top and bottom part. So the next one will be to just keep the hand like this and keep it on your belly button, and the other hand keep it close to your chest, and keep it tight on the right hand, right chest, and keep the hands on your ears. Now as you inhale, the other side where you are not pressing, this should expand. At the same time, on the back side, this should expand. So it's alternate side. This side and this side, they should expand. You can close your eyes if you want to and feel it. You can imagine that it's expanding, and when you imagine, you can actually feel it. So we'll do this 3 times. Naturally, this part will also try to come out. Then you can shift your imagination, and you can make this to come out more than this side. And don't force it. Do it as easy as you can, and don't do deep inhalation if you feel any kind of discomfort. That's it. So we're done with the left side and right side of the back side. Now we'll keep the right hand here and left hand close to your chest, and keep pressing it, and keep it on your ears. Now as you inhale, this should expand and this part should expand. That completes 3 rounds. Do it as easy as you can. Now the last thing. So we'll keep both the hands close to the chest, and press it little bit. Press the chest little bit, and keep both the hands on your ears. Now as you inhale, you will feel, and you will imagine and feel that the rear side, the back side of the lungs is expanding. You can actually feel it when you do that. So inhale, expand, exhale, contract. Keep your eyes closed if you can't focus it, and imagine it. That completes all the 5 rounds of exercises. Now we have breathed in through the entire lungs. Okay.